Hello everyone, today I am excited to guide you through Takado's point farming for our airdrop campaign. First, let's talk about Takadao and why this is an opportunity you should not miss. Takadao is revolutionizing the insurance industry with a community-owned, decentralized approach. We offer global, transparent, and fair protection platforms with 100% community ownership, breaking away from traditional insurance norms. We are backed by industry leaders like Team Draper and Chainlink, allowing us to build robust and innovative protection DAOs. Here is the exciting part. You can own a piece of this groundbreaking project for free through our airdrop campaign. By completing quests, you will earn points that increase your eligibility for tokens during our token generation event in 2025. It's a fantastic chance to get involved early and join our growing community. Here's how you can join. First of all, head over to the Takadao airdrop page to find all the details. Once you are on the page, click Join Airdrop Campaign to access our quest platform and engage in tasks to earn points. And remember, the more points you have, the more tokens you will be eligible for. Before you start, here are some tips to make things smoother. First, use a laptop. It will just be easier than on your phone. Second, sign up by choosing any of these options and make sure your username has more than 4 characters. Third, click on Edit to access profile and link your relevant social accounts for a seamless experience. Connect your socials as shown in these steps. And also your Web3 wallet, where we should airdrop your tokens once generated in 2025. Finally, complete the quests. Each quest involves simple tasks with buttons to click or refresh once completed. Let's dive into some examples. For the first quest, you will follow Takado's Galxe space. Click on the follow button, scroll down, and refresh. And voila, you have earned your first points. Another example is joining Takado's Discord. The platform will guide you through linking your Discord account, just a couple of clicks and approvals, and you are a Takadao Discord member. Now for tasks involving watching videos. The preview might not be available, but nothing to worry about. Just click here, and you should be able to watch. In any event, you can always join our Discord or Telegram community, and the team will be happy to support. That's it. Claim your points and check your position on the leaderboard. The more points you earn, the more tokens you can receive. So hurry before the next set of tasks goes live, and be sure to engage with us on socials for updates. And happy questing!